Evening. Greetings to you all. Welcome back to Engaging Life, where life matters. Don't forget, catch us with TikTok, Engaging Life. YouTube channel, More Zan Music. We also a mini who sports, Ibandla Lekofes Mini, and the Christ our Rock of Salvation, Ganye, Mighty Vision, Benginti Sana, Watene Buneyona, a cross. So now, Sipete Baba Wesizwe, Baba Blue Nation.
Amen.
Ninjani Bishop.
Siyaphila
presiding sicela ubingelela ama-viewers waku Moza Music nawe Engaging Life and usho ukuthi nasi isizwe sakho, why we here?
Ngiyanibingelela nonke babukeli beZanu Music Live. Egameni lika Jesu. Cha, sibuthene la John Dube kwaMashu sizobungaza kanye nabantwana bethu youth day yabo bebe sports namhlanje behlanganyele nalamabandla amabili abazalwane basesiKhoveni nabazalwane be-Mighty Vision. So ke nje bekukwakha ubudlelwane bazalwane abakhonzayo ukuthi sazane kangcono sakhe nje ubuhlobo ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sihambe kanye sonke endleleni kaNkulunkulu. Even nakwezokuncintisana ke nje kube that healthy competition ephakathi kwamabandla eyakha ukuzwana phakathi kwethu. So it was all about that.
No, siyabonga presiding. And siba interview labantwana.
Yeah.
A lot of questions esibabuze bona, but there's one question abahlele kuyi-answer. No, I think ngiyibuze ngafa maybe bona maybe presiding ngi-answer. Uzobe ukuthiwa kulabantwana. Okay, yini ispace enibona ukuthi nina as young people can occupy within the church? Isiphi space bona abangabona ukuthi bangakhona ukuthi occupy esontweni benze kubonakala ukuthi
bakhona esontweni. Okokuqala nje kufanele kuqale ekukhulisekeni kwabo mntaka baba njengoba beyi-youth akumelanga bazazi ukuthi ba-independent, kodwa uma beyi-youth basuke besadinga abantu abadala kunabo ukuze bakukhulise so that they can be able to occupy the space okufanele basi-occupy. In fact asibakhuliseli ubusonto kuphela kodwa bakhuliselwa impilo yonke, ukuthi impilo kumele bayiphile kanjani ngoba impilo ngaphandle kaNkulunkulu ayisiyo impilo. So lokho kubaletha ubahlanganisa, it gives them i-guidance right ukuthi bakhule ngendlela efaneleyo ukuze bakwazi uku-occupy ziningi izinto. Azigcini endlini yesonto, ziyaphuma ziye emakhaya, ziphume ziye emphakathini. So uma abantwana bekhuliseke ngendlela efanele, then bayakwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukwenza izinto ezi-right nezenza ukuthi umphakathi uphile kahle, kube nokuthula, kube nayo yonke lento efanelekile. Bagwemeke nasey'ntweni ey'ningi ezifana nokuthi bazithole sebe-addicted ezintweni ezingababulalela ikusasa labo. Yeah.
Before we let you go, because we know that you have to prepare for tonight's service.
Yeah.
Kuba bonke asiba-interviewele ubuholi kanye nebandla. There's one common language abayikhulumile. Fundamental education.
Yeah.
Then yabuya ingqondo ukuthi yi-verse okanye language or yi-seed oyiplanta within the ministry ukuthi imfundo fundiseka within the ministry. By so saying, marking back Youth Care 1976, 50 years anniversary, was the fight worth living or fighting for? Checking now.
Yes. Sibonga kakhulu nje kulabo ababamba iqhaza ngaleso sikhathi ize kwakunzima, but bayiphaver indlela ye-future yabantwana bethu ukuthi bakwazi ukubaleka kwemfundo, ukuthi ibaleke kanganani imfundo. Ngiyakhuthazwa kakhulu njengoba kunaleli holiday lika June 16 vele it's all about that ukuthi abantu babe reminded of where they come from. Kuliwe kwachitheka igazi, kulwelwa ini. So that we need to continue emphasizing or reminding them, even nalaba abasanda kuzalwa abangazi ukuthi kwakwenzekani ngalo 1976. So that was very important ukuthi libe khona leli holiday bakhumbuze abantwana ukuze bakwazi ukuqina ekufundeni, balazi kusasa labo nanokuthi obani abantu ababasiza ababalweli ukuthi baze bathole lenkululeko yezifundo abakhona ukuzithola njengamanje.
Hayi Bishop, uyibeka kahle. Education is power.
Is power.
Yeah. Now in youth desk yala across very powerful youth desk. Ngibuza question lapho youth desk ukuthi kana mo check lapho ku Exodus uzothola lapha na eRefedima.
Yeah.
Lapho Moses wanikwa instruction ukuthi aphakamise isandla sakhe phezulu as a leader.
Yeah.
Once aphakamisa isandla sakhe nina bantwana baseIsrael nizonqoba.
Yebo.
So working together uphakamisa umholi isandla sakhe nina nizonqoba.
Niyanqoba noma kanjani ngoba ukuphakama kwaso as their leader kusuke kuzosiza bona bonke.
Yes.
That is why kumele bamsupporte bangazami that one ithi bangazama ukuthatha induku.
Yes.
Yeah, ngoba uma abantu abasha sebezofuna ukuba independent like I said before, befuna ukuba independent within the ministry, then you'll end up having ama-ministries ayi-two. Yeah, ema-vision ahlukane baqaye babhekele kanti nabo they are part of the leaders okumele zilwele towards fulfilling i-vision yomholi. So uma ngabe uMoses ebekade nikwe induku ukuthi akalwe leyo mpi ayilwayo, uma ekhathala uMoses while kusase seyithemu kaMoses,
Yes.
kufanele ba-assist uMoses until kuze kube isikhathi sika Joshua.
Yeah.
Kumele baphinde ba-assist uJoshua. So ihamba kanjani?
Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Hayi angeke sisasho okuningi sekuvalile bese nje ngithi hayi khuma sesivala umlayezo kumbukeli we-Engaging Life nakusizwe sonke sika Zion.
Abamthemba uNkulunkulu abantu bonke ngoba bonke bangabakhe. I remember eBhayibhelini uma uzobheka uNkulunkulu ezosebenzisa umPheresiya engakazalwa ukukhuluma uIsaya.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu utshela uIsaya ukuthi ngesikhathi esithizeni isizwe esithile esasamukelwa njengokuthi akusisona isizwe sikaNkulunkulu ngoba kwakwazi ukuthi uIsrael isizwe sikaNkulunkulu.
Yes.
But uNkulunkulu wambula kuIsaya ukuthi kwesinye isizwe esingeyena uIsrael kuyozalwa umuntu wenhliziyo kaNkulunkulu ogama lakhe linguSirus.
Yeah.
Kwandlula 160 years leyo prophecy ifikile wazalwa umuntu ePheresiya onenhliziyo kaNkulunkulu wethiwa igama kwathiwa ubani uSirus. Ngamanye amagama lento ithi uIsrael kwakungafanele azibheke yena yedwa ezikuthi uyisizwe sikaNkulunkulu, but lento yayisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu is a king of kings, is the ruler umhlaba wonke.
Yes.
Uphansi kwakhe. So ke abantwana bethu mangabe sibafundisela lokho ukuthi abahlale kuNkulunkulu bamthemba uNkulunkulu noma ngabe isizwe noma ngabe umhlaba wonke uyalahleka njengoba silibona nje nezwe lethu South Africa ukuthi linjani njengamanje. Akekho ongalungisa ngaphandle ukuthi ku-intervene uNkulunkulu kuyo yonke into yethu. Then izolonga so abantwana bethu abasha abaqine ekuhlaleni kuNkulunkulu bangaqhelelani naye.
Yazi uyibeka kahle Bishop, ilento sibiza i-paradigm shift ke manje.
Yeah.
Ngoba ulwandle lavuleka. The only reason ulwandle livuleka kuNkulunkulu bengasi miracle. Ebantwini bokuyi miracle uluvuleka as a rite of passage undlwanize kuJehova.
Yes.
Lalelani, every Thursday 6 until 9 the Sons of Azania. That's why you catch up the Engaging Life. Sina Pastor Tundu, Pastor Chris Khatebe, no Pastor Musarambata. TikTok account Engaging Life, YouTube channel More Zion Music. Don't forget, Go Paramista, it's still #1 song. Good platform here, More Zion Music. If you can check, you'll see it's still leading. Go Paramita, we're still here. No presiding PE, Nkaka. We thank you, leadership.
Italo zasezulwini.
Amen. Shalom.